Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. I'm listening to some music. It is so late. Well, I say it's late. It's like I'll tell you. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 10:47 p.m.
It's 10:47 p.m. baby. So late. You know what? I'm in such a cleaning mood. I went to do my skincare just now and I was like, this bathroom is so messy. Like, I haven't dusted in a while. And I'm just in a cleaning mood, so I'm just gonna go with it, to be fair, and I'm gonna do some cleaning tonight because it's like, why not? So I was like, let me just turn on the camera so you guys can keep me company, because otherwise I can't turn the music up too loud because it's just way too late for that, you know. I'm just gonna start in the kitchen. I have like a few dishes to wash from what I used for dinner, and I think I'm gonna do some wiping as well. Do you think I should just do some washing as well, since I'm in like this mood? And while I'm cleaning, just to like wash, I think that's gonna be like a bit disturbing to neighbors. Anyways, I'm gonna do laundry as well because it's like, why not? I'm already like gonna be up. Oh god bless me, I want to get up early as well to start the gym because I want to film some content. So I want to be up early. Guys, look at my bathroom. Let me show you what I do with. The bathroom itself is not dirty. It's just that I have a lot of products up here and I have products there. I just don't have anywhere to store them. So I know I've been mentioning this for a little while now that I need to declutter my local cupboard space up there. So I still haven't done it. So every time I take out a product, sometimes we just put it on there so and then just keep on a build up.
Drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling, none of that could ever make me leave, yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel.
So I just sprayed my kitchen sink. I'm just letting it dry, not dry. I'm letting it soak a little bit and then I'll go ahead and do like some, what do you call that? Some scrubbing and stuff. I'm gonna like fold these laundry that I have here. I also need to put like fresh sheets on my bed, so I'm gonna like do that as well. For last time. Look how I'm like sweating. I'm hot. I'm not gonna lie, I'm hot. Anyways, the bed is made. The bed is made. The laundry has been folded. Still got the first load in the washing machine going. We're making good progress. I just need to go back into the kitchen and we're gonna do some wiping. I just need to get like a fresh cloth. Got a fresh cloth. I just need to do some wiping. And that's pretty much the kitchen done because the dishes are washed and I need to just wash the sink. This from Purdy and Fig. They did send this to me like a couple months ago. I'm gonna use this to like wipe down the counter and stuff. This is basically like essential oil mixed with water, and it's kind of like a cleaner way to clean, I guess, without the harsh chemicals and stuff. So I'm gonna use this, and this cloth came with it as well. I'm just gonna use it to like wipe down.
Don't you love when I come around? Build you up and I take. Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you? Oh yeah, babe. Ooh.
I'm done cleaning the kitchen. I have like the sitting room to clean, and I just have like my bag and stuff to like take up off the floor and put them where they need to be. But yeah, we're making really good progress. I need to drink some water, so quick water break.
Who would have thought I'd get you?
My sitting room area is nice and clean. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 12:19 a.m.
After 12. It is after 12. My first load of laundry is done as well. I'm not going to continue doing laundry. I'm going to do the rest of my laundry tomorrow, but I'm going to put a load in the machine, and the only thing I need to do is just start it tomorrow. So I'm going to do that only because it's a little bit too late now, and I'm also getting tired. I'm done cleaning. Not completely, because I still need to do like hoovering, and I still have the bathroom to clean. So yeah, that's the clean that I have to do, but I'm gonna continue that tomorrow, just to like hoover and then clean the bathroom tomorrow, and then finish laundry, of course. But I'm gonna hang up the last load of laundry that I have, and then kind of like load in another load, probably the whites, because I have like sheets and stuff to wash. So I'm probably gonna put those in, and then, like I said, just prep the machine to like actually just literally press start tomorrow. Don't put other load in the washing machine, and I'm pretty much done cleaning for tonight. I still need to like hoover out, wash the bathroom, like I said to you guys, and I need to water my plants as well. They need some water, they're crying, so I'm gonna do that tomorrow as well. But I'm very proud that I used my energy wisely tonight. But now I want to sleep, so I'm gonna take another shower. I did shower before I actually like start cleaning, but I'm sweating. Look at me, I am sweating. This place is hot. So I'm going to take another shower, and I'm going to sleep really good tonight because I have fresh sheets on, freshly showered, and yeah, it's going to be a good night. It's going to be a good night's sleep. So I'll catch you tomorrow when we finish up the cleaning. Hey guys, it's the next day, and I already started doing some bits here and there. I went to the gym, so before I went, I actually put like a load of laundry in. That load of laundry, however, is finished. I already put it up to dry, and then I have another load which I need to finish. But I need to like take off my gym clothes and put in there as well, because I don't know, I like when I'm washing, like everything out of the basket is like completely gone. So I'm gonna do that before I hop in the shower. I'm gonna just put my clothes in there just so those can wash as well. So went in and like organize my cupboard as well, so in there's looking nice and organized. Now the thing that I need to do is basically to just hoover out like the main area and then clean the bathroom. So I'm pretty much gonna do that now and just finish off with the cleaning. But so far in here feels nice and clean, and I'm just very happy with it. For the weekend, the chores are complete, so I don't need to like worry about that over the weekend. I can just use my time to do something else. This is basically what we're working with in this side. I've already like removed a few bits from there, like the pieces and stuff, and I just put them over there where I have the storage thing for the Q-tips. So I just put everything in there because why not?
One taught me love, one taught me patience, and one taught me pain. Now I'm so amazed.
So this is what in this side is looking like. I think it's like nice and organized than before. And these are products that I use. So all the expired products I throw away. I'm gonna like show you like the empties and the expired products that I'm gonna be throwing away. I can show you those at the end.
Loved in other hands, but that's not what I see. So look what I got. Look what you taught me.
It's like nice and clear from products up here now. Only the one that I have there has like extra products. This is what in this side is looking like, and the other side, this is what this one it's looking like. So nice and organized, and I hope it stay that way. But at least we find, you know, place to put certain things. Now the products that expired slash I need to throw away. First we have this Fenty Spot Water. It's okay. I didn't love it. Like, I love my Ren. So, and I think this is like over 1 year old now. So I need to like throw it away. Same for the Fenty moisturizer and SPF. It's just a little bit too greasy for my skin. Still a little bit in there, but I don't need it because I don't use it. And then we have the Snail Mucin, which I was influenced by TikTok, and this bitch broke me out so bad, so we're gonna throw it away. So this is like the ordinary salicylic acid. Like I mentioned before, it is oil-based, and I prefer like water-based product because the oil-based one kind of like clog my pores, break me out. So that is going. And then we have Liz Earl Pro Biobalancing Night Cream. Have this for a while now, so it need to go. We have the Milk Cleanser from Liz Earl. Again, have this one a while now, so need to go. I've got my expired Skin Plus Me that I've been using and didn't really realize that I'm using the expired one. So we're gonna let it go. We've got a Ren, which is kind of empty. We have the smallest amount there, but not come out that because of how the bottle is made. I have a new one, so we're gonna throw this one away. We got an empty deodorant, gotta throw that away. And that's pretty much it. Oh, I have like my oil, my bottle with my oil in it. I'm gonna find somewhere else to put that one. And yeah, those are all the products that I'm getting rid of. Now it's time to clean this bathroom.
Yeah, for that I say thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm so fucking grateful. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm so fucking spend more time with my friends. I ain't worried about nothing. Plus I'm with someone else. We having better discussions. I know they say I'm a one too fast, but this one gon' last. 'Cause her name is Aubrey, and I'm too good guys. She taught me patience. She understands.
Done cleaning the bathroom. I just need to like give it a wipe now, but I'm gonna like shower, take off these clothes and just chuck them in the machine so I can do like my last load as well. Just have the products here. I need to like put them down. It is so gloomy today. It's like a rainy day, so it's a perfect day to like I could drink some soup, but I don't have anything to make the soup. I could drink some chicken foot soup. That will go down well right now, like so well. So what time is it?
The time is 5:19 p.m.
Time is going so fast. Like, why? Calm down. I'm done cleaning. It is so foggy in here because I have my diffuser on and it's like just going like crazy. I have like a lavender scent burning at the moment. This is what she's looking like, and she's like really smelling up the place. I'm pretty much done cleaning, guys. I have my last load of laundry left in the washing machine. I'm so tired, but I'm so happy that now it's like nice and clean and smells so nice in here and just very relaxing. I'm going to end this vlog here. This was such a random impromptu cleaning type of vlog. Didn't expect to be filming this at all. Didn't expect to be cleaning at whatever time I started cleaning last night. So if you've reached this far, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this motivate you in some way. I hope it inspire you in some way to keep the place clean, like do some cleaning for yourself, because the feeling after is literally so good. Even this morning as well, when I wake up, I was like, I had such a good sleep. And I know because I have like fresh sheets, the house is clean, that sort of stuff. But anyways, enough of me rambling. Thank you guys so much for watching. And please be sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll be sure to catch you in the next one. Bye.